Hello and welcome to our new video tutorial. In this video tutorial we'll be learning about modules. So what is a module? A module is a library, you can say, which contains methods, functions, classes that you want to use, reuse in another program. I have created this program for your convenience. I have created 3 class in this Python file, and I have named this Python file is mymodule.py. So a mistake that people do is they create the file name with certain class or any function name, so that creates loop and you cannot import then that module. So once you have defined any Python file, in this case I have named it mymodule.py. Now I can use this as a module in another file. For example, if I create a new file and now I want to import my module.py in this file, so I don't write .py because I am importing it in another file, so you don't need to write .py. Okay, so once I import this my module.py file, so all these classes I can access now in this my another file. So for example, if I want to create the object for car class, is it's, you can see, class car. So I say first of all my module dot then car. Okay, so if I run it, you can see there's no error. Now you can see within this car class I have one function, that's sound. So if I wish to call this method sound, all I need to do is write sound method parenthesis, and if I run it, you can see car makes sounds, which is in this file. So actually I have imported all the classes, and if I wish to create the object for Mehran, you can name anything, but name should be meaningful. Okay, my module dot Mehran. If I spell it correct, then we won't have any error. Obj underscore Mehran dot and then sound. Okay, so let's run it. You can see the second message is room. If I comment it in order to make it more clear, now you can see, and if you go in the module file in Mehran, the sound function is room. That's actually polymorphism implemented in this example. And now certain time you don't wish to import this complete file which contains thousands of classes, thousands of methods. So what you can do is just you can write from my module and then whatever you want to import only car, for example. Now if I run it, you can see this is an error because I haven't imported Mehran class, so that's why it is showing an error. But if I comment it and uncomment this file, because I have imported only car class, now if I run it, it again shows an error. Let me see. Okay, so the error is, you can see I have only from my module imported car, so I don't need to write my module.car because I have directly imported only one class. So all I need to do is just write class because I have imported this class only. So if I run it, you can see only this class is imported from this Python file. And now if I run this Mehran object, it won't run. For example, if I say my module, I don't want to write my module now in Mehran. If I run it, you can see because only it won't show error on car because it is I have imported from my module.py, but I haven't imported Mehran. In order to import Mehran, what I need to write is just I have to write Mehran. Now I have imported 2 classes from this file. So if I run it now, you can see it won't show any error. So in this way you can use modules for your convenience. Now whenever you import anything, you have to keep in mind that you have a file in your libraries that you are calling. The all functions that you are calling or you are using, that are stored somewhere in your on your disk. I hope this would help, and you need to remember that these two files should be in same directory. Thank you. If you have any question, any confusion, you can ask in comment section, or you can directly reach our Facebook page. Thank you.